Good morning. So my research paper topic was Intelligent Intrusion Detection System featuring a virtual fence for nuclear power plant. So the paper is based on IoT. Let's begin. So nuclear power plants require security. Why does nuclear power plant require security? Because nuclear power plants are threat of radioactive sabotage, and even a small misconduct can cause a huge disaster to the public and also as well as to the environment. Therefore, only the authorized personnel should be allowed to enter and leave the premises in order to have the proper security. So the traditional method that these nuclear power plants have for security is an optical camera. So what this does is they have a optical camera placed at certain locations which covers the entire field, and then it is monitored by a operator. So there are certain limitations due to this system because the optical camera can only capture can only capture the intruder in a good condition, that is in daylight. But when it comes to night, or when it comes to adverse weather condition like rainfall, or it is snowing, or there is thunders, then the optical camera doesn't capture the intruder. And also these are monitored by an operator, and the operator is a human, and human error can happen, and therefore, due to this, there are certain limitations that occurs. Um and therefore, any person who enters can damage or cause huge disaster to the public safety and also to the environment. Hence, we need to improvised version of the security, and therefore, and this is where the research, this is where the intelligent active intrusion detection comes place. So the main objectives are to reduce the security threats. As I said, the uh, optical camera or the traditional cameras does not capture the intruder in nighttime, or maybe it's raining or adverse weather condition. So the objective is to reduce those security threats by creating automatic use. The objective is also to detect the intrusions at night and in adverse weather condition, to make sure that the moving object is an intruder. So, as we know, the nuclear power plants are located far away from the city, and there may be a chances of animals also crossing the premises. And we need to make sure that the moving object is an intruder and not an animal, so as to not create an havoc and trigger the alarm unnecessarily. Also, building a real-time security that gives information. What this means is that real-time information about a person entering the premises is given. So the proposed system is the previous intruder detection system that are implemented in these power plants are the normal optical camera, and they have their disadvantage, and they're also monitored by an operator, and the operator is a human, and human error can be occurred, and it is on him, because if the operator misses the intruder coming in, then even if the camera captures the intruder, there is no point in having the security. So with this research paper, they have proposed image-based intelligent intrusion detection system, that is IIDS, with a virtual fence and active intrusion detection. The system uses dual cameras, image processing, computer vision, and deep learning technologies. Now, deep learning technologies means they take all these information together, compresses it, processes it, and then it detects whether the object is moving, is an intruder, and whether it is a real security threat or not. So as we can see in the first image, there is an optical camera and there is a thermal camera. So in thermal camera, you can clearly see the person, and in an optical camera, if the conditions are not good enough or the lightings are not good enough, the intruder can be camouflaged and cannot be seen. But with thermal sensors, we can actually know that the intruder is present. The second image here shows you the virtual fence. So instead of having a physical fence which can be breached, there is a virtual fence which which has two layers in it, the outer layer and the inner layer. So if the intruder crosses the outer layer, then the virtual fence checks whether the intruder is an actual human or an animal. And if it crosses the inner line, then it triggers the alarm. And before, when it is in the outer line, it sets out an pre-alarm that notifies you that someone has entered the premises. The component here used are the cameras, optical cameras, thermal sensor, consoles, and GUI training, which consist of training and deep learning. Intrusion detection and tracking. Intrusion detection is an indispensable element in surveillance system because if we need to know that the intruder is detected in order to know that there is a security threat, and it is a main objective of the surveillance system. So what this tracking through this tracking, we get to know whether the moving object, as I said, is in early warning stage, that is the outer layer set by the virtual fence. Then it classifies it as it is an intruder or an animal. So for human intruder, it generates an early warning, an intrusion alarm. So when the intruder crosses the outer line, a pre-alarm is set off, and it notifies us that an intrusion, that someone is entering the premises. Uh, and for if that is the animal, so the virtual friend detects it whether it is the animal or a human intruder, and if it detects it as human intruder, then it sends out the signal. So here is a graphical user interface of the proposed intelligent intrusion detection system. So in the first image, we can see is that it is an optical camera image, and a virtual fence also passing through it. It detects it whether it is a human, and if it is a human, it sends out an early warning, as we can see in the second image. Conclusion. In order to compensate the disadvantage of optical cameras, because optical cameras have certain disadvantage because of them, they have quality issues, they have difficulty in detecting the intrusion at night and under adverse weather condition. Or also when the intruder is camouflaged, if he is hidden in the leaves or whatever, when optical camera thinks it as a image, part of the surrounding. But in thermal camera, we can actually see that there is a person underneath those camouflage clothes. In addition to this, a virtual fence and an early warning area is implemented to improve the intrusion detection rate. So just because detecting the intruder isn't enough, because sometimes there can also be limitations to the thermal sensor when there is a extreme heat condition. So in order to compensate that, there is a virtual fence mechanism also given, which allows the user to know whether an intruder is entering the premises or not. So, since the proposed intelligent intrusion detection system can be performed by a sensor role by itself, it is expected to perform more active and reliable intrusion detection as compared to the traditional ones, which have an operator monitoring the optical cameras. Thank you.